Hadin bakasor jela kalau wanra Kaiphod jangka expert committee ban wanra jingpen kelai ka reservation policy hagasi balai ka dorbar mang tengka jangka yeng dorbar thawain ka jela kata ka khat pratrip rumpang arjar penriau na kaliang ba Ardent mila besemoy MLA ka Voice of the People Party VPP nan nongkrem ulong ban kaliang ka party kan sasyong ban pulibnya bahaswa ka habakren siglap thai kubor dian ke dorbar uba Ardent ulong balada ke rukom penbej yaka kalong kabala ban Pdiang kini Risa Hynrei lada kamlong kumta kin penlong dah Ïakhih.
So appreciation to the government for having decided after our agitation to review the reservation policy. So now the government has tabled it in the floor of the House. So as members of the party and the legislature also, we need some time to study whether the review was taking place as per the wish of the people and as per our wishes or not. So I will not give a very long statement on this issue. I can only tell you that if the review is acceptable, we are going to celebrate, and if the review is not acceptable, we are going to agitate. Simple.
What type of agitation?
We will tell you at the right time.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya